Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we continue with the Mitsubishi Pajero story. Today the frame, then we have to do something on the body. That's to repair the swivel mounting body here in front. And I had a very nice idea. That is, here or here we need the spare wheel. I can do by myself. And to do this, first we have to mount wheels. And wheels are here in the peroxide of hydrogen to get white, because they were very yellow. And I think that the process is ended. So we can mount the wheels, and then I will show you. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. To work with this, you have to use this. Remember, always protect yourself. And now we have to pick them out, wash with water, then dry, then mount, then we can do my magical idea. And now I show you how to mount your tires. First, check if the tires has a side, front and rear. In this case, not. So, the central part of the rim, 90 degrees. Then you turn. Okay. Then put one side of the rim, center, okay, then the other side, holes are there, okay, center. It's important to work on a soft surface, because the thing is to put the nuts inside the holes, and the nuts has a side, here is smooth, and on the lower side not. You have to put the lower side inside. So this is the easiest way. You see? Then the screw. And then you mount the screw on the other side, opposite. Three. Perfect. And you have your tire. The idea I had, if I cover a wheel with a tissue and glue, and I make a cover for the wheel, I can mount here. But this wheel is a little bit too big. So I can do this using a smaller wheel, like this one, that fits perfectly. I covered with a plastic film the tire in order to have a perfect surface here. Over this I will put a tissue like this, okay, and I will cover the tissue with vinylic glue. Then I let the glue dry. I cut and I have a cover. I hope it works. Okay, who knows, perhaps it works. And while I'm waiting my cover to dry, I fix this part of the frame. I cleaned as well as I could the parts. Then I think that with super glue I reglue this in position, but it's not all. I need an aluminium reinforce. Okay. I don't touch it until tomorrow morning, about 18 hours. Then I work with aluminum. After a night drying, this is the result for my tire cover to mount on the back of the car. But this is just a part. Now I have to find something to put inside, but this is really very nice. I am very happy about this. Remember, glue and tissue. And this is one. After a night, the glue worked. It's quite solid, but it's not enough. Don't trust in just in glue. A little piece of metal here, like this, in the right measure and so on. Two screws, and this will be very, very solid. This is the internal part of a tire for a big scale RC car, and gasoline powered, if I remember well. And I didn't throw away because this drum was very nice, and today it's the time for use it. Done with the hole for the screw and the head of the screw inside the tire. This part on the external, and we can put it here inside. Okay, now the problem is to close this. Done! Super glue! I do really like it. Screw, a nut, and we have the spare wheel. Okay, and also this is made. Now the steering servo. I have to find the right piece for the servo saver. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, this is the servo saver. Bind it. We have the 0 point, so we can mount into the car with the servo saver. Switch off this, switch off the radio, taking this off and disconnected. Later we adjust, but the servo is on. And now we can mount the wheels. What's the... Okay. Important to find the right position for this. Front bearings, ball bearings, okay. And what you say about this very aggressive exhaust tube? I love it. It's funny like the car. Aluminum, plastic, glued, worked, sanded, painted. Super fantastic. Next, battery and this. About the AC, the work is very easy, as I have the Velcro. Okay, we can put this here, but we have a problem that the switch is inside, so I have to open and close the body every time with the two. In front it's not a problem, but on the rear. But I think that as this is a very smart thing, we can mount the switch upside down. Yes, like this, and we put this here, so we reach from this hole the switch. Great. Now I have to find a way to install the receiver. Safe, elastic, easy. This was a handle of a bicycle.
Why not? Would like this to stay in a better way. Fantastic.
No, fantastic! This is the first time I do something like this. No more solid things. I love this way. Very protected. And now wiring. Connect the engine, battery. This is a special. Here inside we don't have nickel cadmium, but nickel metal hydrate. I have opened and you can see the work. Then I changed the cells and closed this. I don't know if it's too high, but I prefer the battery to stay. And the battery is in place. Bam! Suspensions are better with a little bit of weight. Charge the battery, wiring, connect, I hope, yellow with yellow and green with blue, finger cross. And while I'm waiting the battery to be charged, I mounted this option part from the previous owner. It is a sort of the reinforcement for these that in Italian we call them duomi, domes. I don't know in English the right name, sorry. I will check and find out. And this makes a much more rigid this part and more precise the car. Double nuts, one inside, one outside. I think it's very nice. See. Battery charged, connect, switch on the radio. And switch on the car. Ha ha! Whoa, 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 whoa. The engine is smoking. I don't know if they are the liquid I use to clean it. I haven't checked the engine before, but here there's something that is going wrong. And the servo. What's the matter with you? We have to do some work. I've never seen an engine making something like this. Have you ever seen? there's something that doesn't work, so I have to stop. Wow, this engine is kaput. And so, my friends, this that I thought a wonderful brand new motor, it's rubbish. I need another one. The car is here, so you have to see another video on this. Are you happy? Comment, like and subscribe, and up to the next. Ciao!